Okay, in today's video, we'll show you how to create this interactive chart in Excel that can be used for simple data analysis. The good news is it's pretty easy to create, so let's jump right in. Taking a quick peek at our data, here we have our countries, some sales numbers for each quarter. Now over here, you can see we also prepped an area for our chart, and a quick FYI, this chart area can be on the same sheet or a different one. We just put it here for convenience. Now, we can build this graph in a few simple steps. The first step is to create the dropdown, and we can do that by clicking on the cell we want to use. Then go up and click on Data, Data Validation, and where it says Allow, let's choose a list. And for our source, we can go over here and select our list of countries. All right, so the second step is to pull in our values, and we have a couple ways we can do this. In this case, let's go with the XLOOKUP. So let's first click on the cell we want to use. Then go up and click on our FX icon, do a search for the XLOOKUP, click OK, and from here we can just fill in the blanks. For the lookup value, let's click on the cell with a drop-down list. Now for the lookup array, that will be our list of countries, so we can go ahead and select that. And the last part we need is the return array, and for that we want to select our chunk of cells, then go ahead and click OK. Okay, if we got this right, when we click on the drop-down arrow, we should see the appropriate sales numbers for the individual countries. All right, looks good. So the final step is to create our chart, and there are a few ways to add our chart. But for today, let's go ahead and select our data, and then press Alt F1, and that will add the chart directly onto our sheet. Now, if we go up here and select different countries from our drop-down list, the chart will adapt accordingly. Just to top things off, we can click on the chart, then go up and click on the Chart Design tab and make some formatting changes to our chart. For example, we can change the style of the chart or change the color. And there you have it, super simple method for some quick data analysis. Feel free to leave your thoughts and comments below, and also make sure you leave a like for the video, and we will see you next time.